I don't know what topics to talk about. Hence, I will share what I study, what I currently do in school. In secondary school, I was in express in secondary school, so I took double science, biology, and chemistry, pure sciences, elect geography, and social studies. What else? English, Chinese, and there's one more subject, right? I cannot remember. But I remember I hated chemistry so much. I was so bad at it. I just disliked it so much. During the O-level paper for chemistry, I remembered writing down song lyrics on my paper because I knew I was gonna fail. And I got, I think, E8 or F9 for that paper. And in Polytechnic, let me turn on the aircon, it's super hot. In Polytechnic, I am studying computer engineering. The full thing is called electronic and computer engineering. I also do not like it. I studied bio. I did not take physics in secondary school, but I still took computer engineering in poly. Very funny, right? Why? That's a very good question. After O-levels, I was working at Dyson. I was trying to find a way to make a lot of money, and I did not know how. And one day, I was thinking, what if I started a toilet bowl business that invents urinals and toilets, such that when people pee, they don't pee everywhere. Because when you go to the male toilet, I don't know about female toilet, but when you go to the male toilet, the urinals, I don't know how people pee on the floor. Just aim inside the urinal and pee there. It's not that hard. There's pee everywhere around the ground, and sometimes there will be pubic hair all around. Sorry if this is too much information. But that was why I wanted to invent my own toilet bowl, so that the world would be a cleaner place. I was thinking of how to integrate some sort of AI or computer chips inside. And at that point, I was also interested into phones, laptops, computers. Then I thought, if I join this course, maybe they will let me build my own computer, my own PC. However, I did not read exactly what the course was actually about. I took it, and now I'm regretting it so much. For the first 2 years, first year everyone in engineering learns the same things. Electrical fundamentals, mechanical fundamentals, fundamentals of C programming and all this. Year 2 is more specialized on my course. I learned C# programming. I cannot remember what I learned. And then there's a binary thing, the 1-0 logic gates, all this. I don't even know what they're used for. And in year 3, which is this year, we get to choose 2 different streams, either the AI stream or a microelectronics stream. I do not like to code. I really hate to code. I dislike coding. And I know that the AI, I will have to do a lot of coding. And hence I chose the microelectronic track. However, right now I have one module which they just added in. It's about coding. I picked the microelectronics one, so I did not have to do coding. But they just added a coding module inside this course, this stream. The AI students also have to take it. Okay, fine. It's just a little bit of coding. But I really dislike this course because the teacher made us do so many things. We were mainly using some Ubuntu software and some engineering software. And for the final project of this module, my teacher made me do the project at least 4 times, redo the project. So the project is to create a world using a code inside this software. He wanted us to do a pre-project, which is creating the whole thing, about 60% of it, and naming it the pre-project. We asked him whether it was graded. He did not want to answer us. Then the next lesson, he said it was not graded. So that means we all did it for nothing, and I had to redo it so many times because my code has a lot of errors. Okay, I'm not complaining, I'm just sharing with you what happened. I don't want to be complaining, I just want to share my experience. Then so after the pre-project, I went to work on my project, but my code still have errors. I spent over 24 hours. I spent many hours across many different days to try to figure out what was wrong with my project. And at the end, there will be a demonstration. The class was supposed to just explain to him how we did the thing. You know what he made my class did? It's only my class. The other classes, they didn't have to do it. He told us to redo the whole project right in front of him. So I was one of the last ones who did it. We did it halfway, the lesson ended, so we did not have enough time. We were almost done with the whole thing, but the teacher had to leave already. Then he told us, because the project inside the project requirements, we had to record a video to explain our code also. So if you presented to the teacher, you don't have to explain, you don't have to make a video. If you made a video, you don't have to present it to him. So I presented to him already, but he wants me and some other people to redo the whole thing and record a video on it. That means he wants us to do the project 4 times. So honestly, I'm just very tired of this. I'm just saying. But overall, I don't enjoy engineering. I will not be taking engineering in the future. I won't be doing anything engineering related. I've had enough. I love science, the biology part of science. I cannot blame anyone else but myself for taking engineering, so I'm not going to complain too much. I'm where I'm at now. But there's a reason for everything, so there's a reason that I took engineering, and it's a reason I hate it. So that, there's a path for me further in the future. There will be a path for me, and that's why I'm on this path right now. It's a bit confusing, but I think you get what I mean. I'll see you tomorrow.